Let's take a look at the way that you withdraw from Wise to your bank account. If you have some balance on your Wise account and you're trying to transfer it to your own bank account, in this video, let me show you the steps. First of all, you need to add or link your bank account to your Wise account. To do that, tap on the send button, which is on the home screen, and then type in the amount that you're trying to send. Also, select the currency that you're trying to send and the currency that you're trying to receive. Once you select both of your currencies, tap on Add Recipient. Now, this is the section where you link your bank account by tapping on the bank details option. Here you'll have three options: to add yourself, to add someone else, or to add a business. Select the myself option. And here, as you can see, you can add in your bank details such as your routing number and your account number if you are in the US, and then also select a account type. So just fill in your bank information and then tap on continue. Now once you've done that, if you head back and again tap on the send option, you can again now add in the amount that you're trying to send, and it's going to show you all of the details including the fees and the exchange rate if you're sending to a different currency. And you can tap on Add Recipient and select the account number that you just added in. This way, if you tap and select the account number or the account that you just added in, the money will be transferred from your Wise account back to your bank account. So that was the video about the way that you withdraw from Wise to your bank. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.